Hey, welcome back to the Too Fast channel. In today's unboxing and installation video, we're going to be taking a look at a cell phone case. This is specifically for the iPhone 13 Pro. This is a case made by Spigen, and it is their Ultra Hybrid MagSafe clear case. I recently picked up an iPhone 13 Pro and had to go through the trials and tribulations of selecting a case. Now, initially, I really like the clear MagSafe case that Apple makes. Apple makes really good products, of course. Their accessories are also really good, but I found that most of their accessories are way overpriced for what they are. And this same case made by Apple, well, the same design of case, clear with a MagSafe feature built into it, runs about $40. And this Spigen case normally runs for $20, so it's half the price. Now, $20 is the price for the Spigen case, the clear with the white MagSafe magnets. This one is clear with black MagSafe magnets, so it's $2 more. So I paid $22 for it. For background, most of my cell phones I've either used Spigen or OtterBox cases on. I have used some Apple cases in the past. I found that there's so many choices on Amazon and eBay. You can spend hours searching through all the different cases. And you know, there are cases for $5, $6, $7, but the ones I've purchased, they didn't last, or they didn't fit correctly, or they broke. They just didn't provide the protection. So you got to find that point where you get solid protection and quality for value. And Spigen, to me, happens to be one of those manufacturers that basically gives you the protection, they give you the quality, and the price point doesn't break the bank. In my opinion, I'm not a case expert by any means, but you know, I have purchased several dozen cases in the last few years and cycled through different manufacturers. So Spigen also makes a very good glass protector that is rated very well. So that's also another quality product that I'll probably be installing in the future and do a review on that. Anyway, so this clear with the black MagSafe magnet cost me $22 on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. The clear with the white MagSafe is $20, like I mentioned. Now, if you wanted the clear with no MagSafe, it's $12.99. So definitely good value for the money. The Spigen packaging is also pretty good. I mean, nothing really to jump up and down about. You know, it's a POP pack kind of case. You got a picture on the front that shows you what you're getting. It's very clear, you know, what it fits and so on. Also, opening some of these boxes can be a pain. You've got to kind of rip them apart. Spigen added this little pull tab, and you pull it, and it opens the case. I mean, how cool is that? Well, to me, it's cool. So our case is packaged in plastic. And we've got our case. Now, one thing that I like about Spigen, not everyone does this, but they have this fingerprint protection sticker on the back, and they have it on the inside. I can't tell you how many times I've bought inexpensive cases, clear cases, and it didn't have any of this. And these cases arrive brand new, and they've got scratches or fingerprints on them. I mean, just really poor quality control. I mean, this is just, to me, is impressive to see that this company addressed a lot of the major shortcomings with a lot of the other inexpensive cases on the market. Now, the Spigen has obviously a raised lip to protect your camera, which is good. And there's also raised lips down here on the bottom, and it has little bumper impact points as well. I mean, this is a semi-flexible, or maybe it's semi-rigid casing here. The back is hard, but the sides are somewhat flexible. Down at the bottom, you've got a large cutout here for your lightning port and then your speakers. The identical Apple case to this one, or the same design, actually has the whole section cut out. I was looking at it, which I didn't care for. I actually like this better. Ill-fitting cases have a tendency to partially cover or restrict your microphone or speakers. This Spigen case doesn't. The whole cutouts are really big, and they're aligned perfectly. So other than that, inside the box, we've got this is an advertisement for Spigen rapid chargers, and they have a little installation sheet that says that you need to remove those labels. So you remove the one on the inside covering the MagSafe circle, and then you remove the other one, install the phone, and then remove the outside one. I believe it's the correct procedure for that. So what we've got here is my iPhone 13 Pro, which I just got a few days ago. I've got the gunmetal gray one, and that is why I got the MagSafe in black. I figured the black would go with the gray well. The advertisement on Amazon's website for this shows this case on this color phone, and I liked it. The white MagSafe case is shown on the blue phone, and if I had a blue, I'd probably get the white, but I got the gunmetal gray, so I got the black. All right, so the first thing I'm going to do before I install this is, I've noticed this phone, especially the sides, the back somewhat, it's a fingerprint magnet. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some rubber gloves on, and I'm going to wipe this down, and then we're going to install it in the case. So I will be back in just a second. Okay, it was surprising how many fingerprints were all over this after just a couple of days of use. So anyway, we've got that taken care of. Now we're going to remove this first sticker, and then we're going to remove this other one. And obviously it is tearing, so I'm going to make sure that all of this gets removed. And it looks like it's all removed. I'm going to double check it to make sure there's no scratches or dust or fingerprints on the inside. And it looks good. There are some scratches and other things going on, but I think that's actually on the flip side here over on this label. So I've got the phone cleaned up. I got the back cleaned up and the sides. Not so concerned about the front at this point. So let's go ahead and get this inserted. Figure out the trick for getting it in here. Yeah, nice tight fit. Nice response with the buttons. We have a nice opening here to get to the sound off button. And you can see on the bottom, good opening for the speakers, microphone, and the lightning port. And then of course our power button over here. And then of course there's no cutout for, I believe that's for the 5G, there's no cutout for that. And we can remove the rear. And there we go. Alright, so raised, raised, raised. So now when we set this down, it sits level on a flat surface, and your camera lenses are not sliding around on the surface. Without a case, basically it bobbles around on a flat surface, and your lenses are sitting on, can rub against whatever surface you lay your phone down on. So now that problem has been addressed. On the inside part here, where our glass is, we've got a raised lip. So if you set it down like this, the glass front of your phone is not sitting on the surface. So fit and finish is good, the appearance is good, the price point is good. Buttons should all work. I found that for cleaning the phone for this particular application, I was doing that off camera. I kept accidentally dialing the SOS mode, so turn the phone off and then clean your phone before you install it in your case. So buttons work, and we're good to go. So that is the Spigen, what do they call this again? The Ultra Hybrid MagSafe case, available from Amazon. Again, I paid $21.99 for this. The one with the white is $19.99, and the one with no MagSafe is $12.99. Now, specifically, I didn't mention why I got the MagSafe. I don't own any MagSafe accessories, and I probably won't. But I have a Bluetooth speaker with a magnetic mount on it that I use with my phone, and I also have a magnetic phone mount in my car. So the phone by itself with no case will connect to both of those and sit secure. But with a case like this on there, I didn't want to take a chance that the strength would be weakened due to a case. So I went with the MagSafe case to ensure that the phone would mount in my vehicle and to my magnetic Bluetooth speaker without any problems. And I did already test this, and it works great. So the strength of the contact is a little bit better with the case on than when the case is off. That's my initial impression in my car. I have a Scosche Bluetooth speaker, and there's also a Scosche Magimount in my car for my phone. So to get a good secure mount in the car, the mount needs to be right in this area, which is actually really close to this lip here. So placement's a little bit tricky, but not a big deal. I also, closing comments, I've noticed that some other buyers of these particular cases have reported issues with these magnets coming off, and I haven't experienced that. I did put this on and take it off, and put it on and take it off a few times to see if this is a common problem, and I didn't see that happening with my particular case. I don't plan on taking this case off very often, so I don't think it's going to be an issue, but it's something to bring up, that other buyers of this particular case have experienced that. I have not. So Anyway, that's going to wrap up this tabletop review and installation of the Spigen Ultra Hybrid MagSafe clear case with the black MagSafe magnets. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.